If you got old onions, don't throw them away anymore. You can reuse it and you can enjoy it all year long. So here's the first way you can do it. Simply pour some water and do as follows. Or you can plant it in pots and you could enjoy all the benefits all year long. Next, on a second tip, we're going to learn how to do cough syrup. So keep all your jars, your glass jars, and reuse them to make this recipe. This is extra easy. All you have to do is peel the onions and stack sugar, onions, sugar, onion, sugar, onion, sugar. And that's it. You let it sit and you'll see the miracle operate. You could also use honey if you would like. That would be double antibiotic and antiviral. But for the purpose of the video, I keep it simple. Like everybody has sugar and onions, so let's do it simple. Also, just a side note, any sugar will do. So once you're done, you just close up your jar and let it sit for a few hours. And I will show you the results after 15, an hour, and 2 hours. You will see how quickly this is done. And then you can keep in your fridge for about 2 days. And then you do it a new batch again. It's a quick, easy, organic way to treat your cough for you and your children. And you will see the liquid will accumulate in the bottom. And then you can strain it. And there you go, cough syrup. So let's see the results. Let's go, baby.